na so mo vet nipa 4 and o ma be decide so o be 5 and o mo decide so o be bi aka ho so mo decide o be aka anana say enura ni hu flyer so okuje to say vet na enura ojo meboa the official vetting flyer no Sam George de no so ye enura eti nana se compromise bi amaso ana ama nyante ase wo sa arrangement de ma how does it escalate nana me ebia enka no krenkyere nkrofo MP ba ko nana ese Ghana nyina se kire ese ka no krenkyere no eya no dompre nana he ebra oban di na tem no enya de papa yenyina criticize oban se wa anya de banana MP a order and I've just spoken to our parliamentary question kwa sante no twa video no MP a order say ne MPs enfa kunwa ni sisi table so eya no dompre
akwa we pa de
sa de no ye no nana enfa so bie ni so nana you see yanya careful one day you be for be fun parliament yanya careful one day you be for be fun e parliament nana me mema a dean of MPs ame Speaker Bagwen esasa MPs no omno mutua distraction bi ekozo no mutua ka first one say edu nketi abo se ne wo fa so no chance se edu Tano South MP no ese nya bibi ka kire no menya me ba na nke bi age benya pitchman na nisa production
na ogina anodo
chance se edu ese ono ne fair suspect ese Bagwen efre no na video no ho the next one Jerry Shaibu Major Gwa MP no first time MP so
no mo yesi
first time nana answer kwa na masa na meto aso no committee no mo start yin akojo no orderliness meti ye dan to mi microphone ma mi ntimi nkasa chairman ebo odi no mfre kwa akojo no mo kasa da fia mapoye bi suhini ye bi mutala ye bi nyom de ne environment ye bi eyina ye bi eyi afanyoma aki ye bi omu no bia mu chairman no ase ni pass o timi ma chairman respect kak ayo no aboya abo ama o kan kwe central ane mama part
I love him
NDC 4 MPs name no mama yare gabe trans almost start for no nana parliamentary say obia your friends say you catch the eye of the speaker and then any part 20 bet me afedanensa but the speaker you must catch the eye of the speaker no afrew speaker from kra no mo kasa aso mu papa no
ba krache for pa
nana again me MP no Jaben South o kirebe we nana when you dey replace him akesibe yebo a won ne oye into kwa be so parliament bi on no se captain blue
panyi pa ni monyam for pa
yes former deputy minister for trade and industry MP for Kofodia
na no don prendo so na ot
yes
no don prendo asa akwada
nana o de ha branch head don retreat wuzo jira ho sasa de bia nana usual suspect be say mama Charles see edu Tano South Jerry Shaibu Ahmed Wejagbawe. Nana the next one, MPP MP for Upper Dentra West. The friend Randolph Damba ono busa sports minister no. About so tumrika ono yo chena dia wa disado kale. That MP was a white captain se video ni roli amubehu no. Or see a friend no. Nana again Roxanne Dafia Magbo. I'm highly disappointed in him. Nana you don't use tagri to rule parliament. Nana de me ka chairman sabu
to ona na ehye fugu no.
Ona no ne Hassan Tampoloma bom minim. We say me donyame. Nana Hassan Tampolu so donyame. Ana wo holu no kojo. Hassan Tampolu a former deputy minister of transport MP for Gushegu. Nana mama 5. Of the video on no ma holu we say batake we share e we shirt. No ma jina.
The video need to hey MPs.
Adey. Kojo the next suspect MP Adam Refinidi
cheche police for no cry tintamu kra no so mu tie
nana mebo mo so
na MPs
nana ni say Jerry Shaibu nebu akonya no wo video na Jerry Shaibu enebu akonya no
ene sa akonya no mu no
eno mu bu yes o mu bu akonya table no o mu bu table ne ba o mu bu table ne ba akon
ene police ni no cry patch o cry
chief wait one no don pre ene dafia mapon kan e ma bi say mu na asa mo kwenche fire no omu na omu ye integral part of the fight.
So when you imagine
another planner so no na come minority na come to omu yam. Na the film control na say tintin tirinti. Na he we e koso nya na NDC na ebrew. Government business. Na government business na stole and akojo meboa. Government business na so you must go with a certain camaraderie, a certain concession. Na on a phenomenon. Any extension of the court. Nana me ma check vetting processes. So I chair parliament, I mean, so my chair watching parliamentary processes. The chairman of the committee must use this occasion to set clear guidelines. Because you're not pictures about Sam George, yes, you're vetting at 9 a.m. Obianco on the Facebook page, and the parliament. Yeah, we are bear one and a fear the neighbor. Nana, even this is a disrespect to even our traditional authorities. What we invite to be about fear, because you're so busy and 9 and a bidding como. As at one, nothing over. It tells you that the committee nankas and your papa. It's in a bag and catch them 3 days ago. The mumu, it's in a Ghana for mumu. Or say respect is end. You cannot do this and expect me, Osei-Tutu, to respect you. It's in a laws. Say be 4 MPs, 9 are Martina say 12 money a year. You know, a finite time. Because Nana, say, I can't say about you be 1 month, and it's never has a Saturday 1 month. So let's do law. Nana, minority, and most of the questions because they are supposed to hold the majority accountable, the government accountable. And to see a man for no mark in 2 hours. Oh, we are a channel, so I supported it. I supported it. It's in we are the 2 hours a day, my phenomenon can a minority ranking. Yeah, lost. Let's put in a standard on this. Then so we 2 hours that we because the government must run. The re-election is 7 December. Now what is governance, and we cannot govern with this chaos. So let's say finance law.
Your friend say Damia Pebu said
yes, almost about Nana to Quanisi
and was so a
yes
Hassan
Nana no Janet, and I rend off no. I was a court way. Now only court Cassaniet to Quan or the Bequeen. Only a bet to Musa question Bakudas, Abraminimity.
No,
Musa question Papa Biada
MPs.
Namu yewe. Nana the second part and say, then Nana Obia didn't crum to me covet and as you phone the phone you need the machi covet. Say a copeding.
Only I said to be a convention.
Could you convention?
One say your court channel. I agree. But one say your court channel, sanity, Akoyam Kuja, that's our culture. Nana, so do say Nana people who want to support
even with the swearing in crowd.
Nana age gogo. Nana swearing in on the Jubilee House. Who's our crowd did be all?
Oh, no, but family members went.
No, yeah, family members. So I'm not saying people shouldn't go, but you don't bring your village.
Hey, so be one.
Nana, 3 issues. So I shall vet from Nana, so I shall vet different. Nana, I'm over the Minister for Transport.
Yeah.
For almost 10 minutes, no much me question and microphone, a bit transform near there. Parliament is.
But you have to control. I mean, who comes here?
Nana, make us say, Nana,
you're my make a joke. Muntaka, or the Dombe Briba.
But no one
Nana, why? So you need to control.
Nana, why? So that's what I'm saying. Muntaka is an experienced member of Parliament, 20 years. He went to Parliament in 2005. He understands the processes. So say 30 people. So 30 people now with discretion. So what they were what for some baba and phobia. But I'm saying that Nana, we cannot open the floodgates. Say, I said we are very to be about it brings chaos. Nana, no, uneta make us Jerry Shaibu Kojina. I can't also manage. Once crowd be so on a minute. And I know video.
Yeah.
Once a Jerry Shaibu Kojama, I can't say, oh my clerk and Swenny in. A person, Nana, or what crowd in him, it will be attacking a member of Parliament. So we need to look at it. Nana, the third one for me is that Maka rules. Maka the conduct of former best round. The third one for me, Kodo, is surcharging. 2014, Kofiga. KNUST. A month for demonstration because Republic of Loans, man could be. Banan was a charge in
Katanga cry time.
Yes.
Sadia
Kunti for demonstration because Republic of Loans, Muslim Kohubi, yes, a charge. Nana, all the 267 members of Parliament, Omombo Mudin are integral members. They need to be held before the Privileges Committee and not on pre, a Fenoma Kinkahon, Michael Trebefi, Chasesiedu, Roxin Dafia Mapo, Hassan Tampuli, Omunina,
say committee no cry nyambie
Nana Nana committee no baby
it is called Parliament
Nana the way me Eugene say to me tell me kaso mutime cheme no and so much and they need to pay for the distraction and then I see the third part and the fourth part is that once something like this happen, let's dispassionately talk about it. Oh young people no young this in idea but nana the optics but say one day before fun Parliament one day nana you before fun your Parliament MPs to be butchered there so many. Some do nyami TV so kodo.
Nhyira FM.
Nhyira 104.5 Kofi quick comment na for any
yeah nana